Hi guys, we're back with another video. Today we will be showing you how to sing Roll in Peace by Kodak Black, but just somebody else is singing it. So here we go. You ain't the one for me. You ain't got nothing I need. Want me to take my time with you? Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your lead. You ain't got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just a street. I can't even roll in peace. Everybody notice me. I can't even go to sleep. I'm rolling on the man. They try to get me. It got on my knee like Jesus, please. You wouldn't believe in Jesus. Why not Jesus, please? If you want to lead us, lead. She got me. Even the blind can see. She never had for me. And even showing me the love you say you got for me. Ain't no loyalty, you lied to me. You said you was gonna ride for me. Tell me again. Oh yeah, how will you lovers and friends? Oh, tell me again. I will be lovers and friends. Now we're gonna do the weekend. Hang on. We'll go back to lovers. Oh, so something looks like. I will be lovers and friends. And this song is to Haley and Caleb. You should tell me that you don't want for me, but I just is feeling like this from me. I've been my feelings on you. They never needed me. I used to tell that you I'm in designer, baby. Honest, baby. You ain't compatible, baby. You ain't pick my phone up. How do you pick me toes up? How different niggas online. Tell me different niggas all the time. And when showing me the love you say you got for me. Ain't no loyalty, you lied to me. You said you was gonna ride with me. How will you remember different? Tell me again. I will be lovers and friends. Yeah. Bye guys. Subscribe and like. Gang.